Good morning to all. I am Munde Vittal from Government Degree College Arts and Commerce, Adilabad. Our topic is Deep Insights on Premature Marriages, a case study of Jainath Mandal in Adilabad district. Introduction. Child marriage is one of the burning problems of Indian society. Child marriage in India has been practiced for centuries, with children married off before physical and mental maturity. The problem of child marriage in India remains rooted in a complex matrix of religious traditions, social practices, economic factors, and deeply rooted prejudice. Hypothesis. This research is done to understand the correlation between the early marriages and chances of occurrence of infant mortality and marital mortality. Apart from this, it is also focuses on the negative impacts on the women's personal development as early marriages hamper their social economic independence. Over to Sri Lata.
My subtopic is aims and objectives. To examine the various issues related to child marriages, to study social, economic and psychological conditions and married girl child, to find the effect of child marriage on country's economics, growth and development, to find reason behind the child marriages, what method could be adopted to declare the earliest marriage in Mandal, to find the way for making girls self-reliant and empowered with this variable local economic structure. Over to Shrutika.
Research methodology. Our research is mostly relied on the primary source of data collection using interview method based on random sampling in Jainath Mandal. We have conducted oral interview among 20 women. Analysis of data. We have consulted 20 members in which 5 members found of illiteracy due to early marriages. Their dream of being educated and lead independent life was crushed down. 4 women were found ill-treated in their households and they are expressing dark days in their martial life. Surprisingly, we found in our survey 7 were educated and contributing economic stability of their family. Remaining 4 were not willing to express views on their child marriage. Over to Mona.
Main subtopics. Finding. We found it negatively influenced children's right to education, health and protection. These consequences impact not just girls directly but also her family and community. A girl who is married has a child is likely to be out of school and not earn money and contribute to their community. She is more likely to experience domestic violence and become infected with HIV/AIDS. She is more likely to have children when she is still a child and more chances of dying due to the complications during pregnancy and childbirth. Over to Arya.
My subtopic is suggestions. Point number 1. Empowering girls with information, skill development program and providing internet facilities. Point number 2. Providing economic support and incentives to girls and their families. Point number 3. Educating parents and community as a whole about complications of child marriages. Point number 4. Government must ensure that all girls should have access to quality education. Point number 5. Improving access to sexual, reproductive health and sanitation. Point number 6. Promoting gender equality among them. Point number 7. Encourage supportive laws and child protection policies. Point number 8. Make sure that government is accountable and effective in protecting girl child. Thank you.